these ones are what we'd call complex formula. They use a word to do some sort of command. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 along the top here. So we've got sum, max, min, average, count, and count A, and they all do different things. So the first one's sum, which if I do equals sum and then a bracket, I can highlight these numbers, close my bracket, and press enter. So equals sum adds up all adjacent numbers, so numbers that are beside each other. So that's when you would use it. Max works in the same way, equals max, brackets, then we highlight our numbers here. And max finds the biggest number in a range of cells. So you can see out of these numbers here, 98 would be the biggest one. The next one is equals min. It's the opposite of equals max, so equals min finds the smallest number in a range of cells. So you can see we've got 48. The next one here is equals average, which finds the average. Works in exactly the same way, like that. Equals count is an interesting one. So equals count finds all the cells and it counts them how many have a value in them. So here we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cells that have a value in them. A value is just a number. Now count A is slightly different. Equals count A, it finds a cell that has something in it. So it could be text, it could be a formula, it could be a number, a value. So that is when you would use equals count A.